Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Today chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variable. Two variable means where we will use the two English alphabet like this x, y, a, b, etc. Exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. This is a question. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So let Aftab age is equal to x and daughter age is equal to y. So case first, x is equal to y. Both are not equal. Because daughter is smaller than Aftab. So how they will be equal? 7 years ago means minus 7. That I was 7 times. Aftab is telling I was 7 times. 7 times means multiply 7. That means Aftab is 7 times. So we will give that x minus 7 is equal to y minus 7y minus 7 7 ja 49. So x is equal to 7y minus 49 plus 7. So x is equal to 7y minus 42. This is the first equation. Case second. 3 years from now. So both are not equal. 3 years from now, it means plus 3. Aftab is telling 3, I shall be 3 times as old you will be. It means daughter will get the 3 times. So x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. So x is equal to 3y plus 9 minus 3. So x is equal to 3y, that is plus 6. Right? Now we'll make the box for graphically. This is a geometrically and then we are doing graphically. That we will be take two values, that is x, y. Here we can suppose different values like this. We can take the y 7 8. Y value will be 7 8. For first equation we have taken the 7. So that will be 7 7 is 49. Then 49, or we can take the 6 7. This is better. 6 7 is 42. Like this you can take 6 multiply y 6 42. So 42 minus 42, that will be 0. Similarly here also 7 multiply 7 minus 42, 7 7 is 49 minus 42 is equal to 7. So that value will be 7. This for first equation. Then for second equation, x, y. Y value we will take the 0 and then 1. Why have taken the 6 7? Because these value will become near about both. So that will become 6 and then 3 1 ja 3 plus 6 9. Now graph. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, 0, minus is not here, so no need to write the minus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 also, because 9 is there. Now first value is 0, 6, so that will be x0 and then y 6, then 7, 7, so both are 7, so that is right. You will do this work on graph paper. Then 6, 0, 6, 0, then 9, 1, 9, 1, that will be 1, and then join the both. When you will be draw on graph paper, then your line must be, you know, that cleared. Question number 2. Question number 2. Listen the question. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bat and 6 balls for 3,900 rupees. Later, she buy another bat and 3 more ball of the same kind of 4 rupees 1,300. Represent the situation graphically and geometrically. Write it. So that will be, let the cost of a bat is equal to x and cost of a ball is equal to y, right? So that 3x plus 6, 3 case first, 3x plus 6y is equal to 3,900, sorry, 3,900. So 3 take the common, so x plus 2y is equal to 3,900. 3 cancel off this one, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. So that x plus 2y is equal to 1,300. This is the first equation, or you can write like this also, 1,300 minus 2y. This is the first equation. Case second. Case second. Now let her see by another bat and 3 more ball. Another bat means 1 more ball and 3 bat. That kind of 1,300. So that also we can write like this, 1,300 minus 3y. Second equation. Now that will be, for first equation, x, y. Y value we can write here, that 400 and 500. 400, 500. So that will be 400, 4 2 ja 8, 1,300 minus 2 into 400, so 1,300 minus 800, that will be 500. That value is coming near about this one. And then for second value, 1,300 minus 5 2 ja 10, so that 300. That is 300. Now for case second, x, y. So here we will write 300, 400 or 200, 300, 400. 300, 400. So that will be 13 minus 3 into 3. 3 is 9. That will be 400. 400. Now 400, 13 minus 3 into 400, 13 minus 3 4 is 12. So that will be 100. 100. Now graph. No minus values here. Here also we can draw the arrow. This is the y axis, y dash, x axis, x dash, 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Here 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Now for first equation, that 500, 400, 500 and 400, that will be 1 point. Next 300, 500, 300 and 500, that. Next, or that equation is x plus 2y is equal to 1300. And then for second equation, 400, 300, 400 and then 300 and then 100, 400, 100, 400. That equation is x plus 3y is equal to 1300. Okay, here also you can write the equation. This for first, x is equal to 7y minus 42, or this for second, x is equal to 3y plus 6, right? And then third question, the cost of 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After the month, the cost of 4 kg of apple and 2 kg of grapes rupees 300. Represent situation algebraic and geometrically. Okay, so similarly you will be doing this one also. How you will be do that? See here, just a minute. Question number 3. Let cost of 1 kg apple, 1 kg apple is equal to x, and cost of 1 kg grapes is equal to y. So case first, that will be the 2 kg and 1 kg is equal to 160. So 2x plus y is equal to 160. So this is the first equation. You can write this one also, 160 minus 2x. That is the first. Case second. Later on, after 1 month, 4 kg and 2 kg. 4x plus 2y is equal to, that is 300. So that will be, to take the common 2. So 2x plus y is equal to 300. That cancel 150. So 2x plus y is equal to 150. That's the second equation. Or this one also we can write like this, 2x, second equation. And then draw the box, x, y. In first equation, what value we will write here? 50 and 60. Y x value 50 and 60. For betterment, better value 50. So 160 minus 2 into 50. That will be 160 minus 100. That 60. So that is 60. Next 160 minus 2 into 60. That 160 minus 120. That 40. These are 40 now. And then for second value or second equation, x, y. That value we will write here 40, 50 or 50, 60. 40, 50, 40 and 50. So that will be 150 minus 2 into 4, 40, sorry. So 150 minus 8. So that will be 15 less 8, 70. And then 150 minus 2 into 50, 100. That will be 50. 50 means both value is 50. Now graph. That is the x-axis, y-axis 0. Now x is maximum 60. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Now x is 50, y is 60. 50 and that 60. Now 60, 40. 60 and then 40. This is the equation 2x plus y is equal to 160. Second, 40, 70. 40 and then 407. Sorry, 407. And then 5, 5. 50, 50. 50, 50. This equation is 2x plus y is equal to 150. Okay.